Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with prerequisites. You need an active Zerodha main account, PAN and Aadhaar linked, and KYC for the sub-account ready. Once you have documents, log into console and go straight to accounts, add sub-account. Fill the sub-account name, relation type, and attach the KYC files. This is the critical first action because Zerodha verifies identity before linking. Make sure to choose whether the sub-account will have trading permissions only or also demat privileges, since that changes required fields. Next, continue the process by completing detailed fields, enter guardian or nominee details when relevant, and verify the exact relation. Authorize trading permissions, decide margins, product types, MIS, CNC, and order limits. This controls risk and is reversible only via console. Upload the signed consent PDF and perform e-sign using Aadhaar OTP. This step finalizes consent and accelerates verification. Once done, monitor the console dashboard for status updates, because verification or missing fields will pause the link. To finish, confirm the sub-account link status in console. Verification typically completes in 24 to 72 hours. After approval, log into Kite or console under the sub-account and test with a small trade or view holdings to ensure permissions and margins are correct. If something goes wrong, like pending verification or permission errors, capture a console screenshot, note the reference ID shown, and contact Zerodha support. Provide the screenshot and ID to speed resolution. One key tip: recheck uploaded document clarity before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.